So in order to qualify for H1, the petition must demonstrate to USCIS that it's a specialty occupation. So you have to show evidence that the job is one that requires not only the understanding and application of a highly specialized body of knowledge, but also that it normally requires, that particular job normally requires a bachelor's degree or its equivalent in that particular field. So what's been happening is in recent years, USCIS has narrowed its interpretation of what is a specialty occupation. And there have been many jobs that have been removed, so to say. There's no list of specialty occupations, but USCIS doesn't think some positions are specialty occupations anymore, like programmer analyst, systems analyst, computer programmer, a market research analyst in some cases, though that is changing slowly. So the USCIS often challenges these positions, and they send out RFEs asking for detailed job descriptions, proof to show that it's complex enough to require a bachelor's degree, like a list of duties and what educational and experience is required for this job. They want to see in the industry what is the common education and experience required. So this is a painful RFE simply because also they want to see that there's a link between the job description and the education that the person has performed or the educational requirements of the position. So say you require a computer science degree for a computer programmer position, they want to make sure that is relevant to that particular job. So it's a big list of documents you have to provide, a lot of explanation, and what would be useful is to get an evaluation done. So if you are kind of filing a H1 for a borderline specialty occupation case, I wouldn't be a bad idea to do an expert opinion evaluation. So an evaluation from a professor, and give that professor the duties and give them the requirements of your company, give them the qualifications, and ask them to write a memo on whether they think that the particular job that you're filing for requires a bachelor's degree or not in a specific field. So that could really help not get an RFE. So that's definitely one way of avoiding an RFE, especially in job positions which are likely to get specialty occupation RFEs. Another